Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to generate AI photo using Gemini AI in just few minutes. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to Gemini and go to Google and search for Gemini. So basically you can choose the first step of Gemini main website, and after that you'll come to a Gemini workspace, and in Gemini workspace down below here you can enter a prompt command here. So basically you can just type ask to help to generate heavy duty motorcycle with massive body kit. So basically this is my example that I want to generate using Gemini AI, and it will take a few seconds to generate out a reasonable image. And as you can see, it helps you to generate out a few example of photo. So basically you can just enter your prompt and comment and ask Gemini AI to help you to generate out based on your described requirement. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.